Welcome to the Emoji Restaurant Challenge. Can you guess all these famous food spots just by looking at the emojis? Some are easy, some will make you hungry, and a few might totally stump you. Let's see if you can get them all. First one. This purple buddy loves burgers and fries. Which restaurant is it? It's McDonald's. A royal burger with onion rings. Who serves it? That's Burger King. Have it your way. Spicy tacos with cheesy goodness. Name this fast food spot. Taco Bell. Seafood, pasta, and a glass of wine. Which restaurant comes to mind? You guessed it. Red Lobster. Crispy chicken, biscuits, and mashed potatoes. Where is this from? KFC. Donuts and coffee. The perfect breakfast duo. Guess the place. That's Dunkin'. A panda serving up Asian flavors. What's the name? That's Dunkin'. A star and a cup of coffee. Where do you grab your latte? Starbucks, coffee lover's paradise. Italian pizza and a soda. Can you guess it? Pizza Hut, classic cheesy goodness. Sandwiches, soup, and fresh bread. Which cozy cafe is this? Panera Bread, cozy. Ice cream and sundaes with a red spoon. What's the place? Dairy Queen. Sushi rolls and fresh fish. Name the spot. Sushi Go. Burgers, shakes, and the cow logo. Who is it? Shake Shack. Fruity smoothies and sunshine vibes. Where do you go? Jamba Juice. Seafood and fries. Which restaurant is this? Long John Silver's. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and tag a friend to see if they can beat you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tasty emoji challenge. See you next time, foodies!